welcome to our cruise cabin. We have a veranda suite on deck 7 and the number 7171. We have a queen size bed, and they're just 2 twin beds that are connected, or you could have them separated if you wish. And this is where we entered, and on the right side, that is all closet space and storage. There is a lot of storage on this ship. So let's just start with the closet. This is my side. You can see there's a lot of storage. Full-length mirror. My husband's side. There's a safe. That's where we always put our wallets and passports the minute we get on the ship. There is a fridge. And they have this stuff in it in case you want to purchase it. We never do. And there's 3 drawers, and we only use 2 of the 3, so lots of storage. And then you have this corner cabinet. There were some glasses and a tray for drinks, but I asked the cabin steward to remove it so we would have more room. And that's just where I like to store the sunscreen. There's storage there. And storage under here. So you can see tons of storage. So now let me show you the bathroom. Okay, so this is the bathroom. There's 2 hooks on the door. And there's 3 glass shelves, which I have claimed all of them. Plenty of room, nice lighted mirror. They always include the Elemis hand soap and hand lotion. A nice vanity, nice size sink. Plug there for a razor or hair dryer. Underneath here is the wastebasket and more storage. That's where my husband stores his stuff, and that's where I store my makeup. And then we have towel rack over the toilet and a nice glass shower. I just want to show you the shower. There is a clothesline. So that thing pulls out and goes across, so we can hang your bathing suits on there. The shower head, it is adjustable, but the pressure's not that great. Oh, the ship is rocking. Today's a sea day. And then all Elemis shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. And just this little square for storage. So not a lot of storage in the shower. This is how you turn the shower on. The right side is for temperature control. And there are grab bars on either side. And a little thing there, I guess, to put your leg on if you want to shave your legs. I did bring hooks to put on the walls. Some of the walls in cruise cabins are magnetic, but thankfully Holland America has hooks here already, so I didn't have to use them. That's the thermostat. Sorry about the glare. This is my husband's side. He doesn't put his stuff away like I do. I like my stuff put away. I have that little pop-up hamper. I just put our dirty clothes in there. That's his nightstand. And nice big TV. We can get a few news channels. There's lots of movies, all free to watch. This is my side. Just charging up my camera battery for tomorrow. Tomorrow we're in Bonaire. And they've already given us our disembarkation stuff that we have to take care of, as well as booking our COVID test to re-enter Canada. And that's just my iPad, the adapter to put photos onto the iPad so we can look at them. And I just have my scarf in there and I brought this extra electrical adapter, but we haven't needed it. You have all of the life jackets. So that is the life jacket area, some artwork. There is a couch, which we never use, but I do believe that pulls out to make a bed. And on this side is a mirror to sit and do your hair, do your makeup. I like to keep things put away. These are my purses. That's for when we go to port. This is what I carry around the ship. My various reading glasses and sunglasses with my prescription, sunglasses without my prescription. They provide the makeup mirror. More plugs there. So lots of plugs. This chair pulls out. And I brought my own hair dryer. And I always bring a pair of scissors just in case, you know, you need to cut a thread or something. Lots of masks. They provide these masks. They aren't mandatory, but suggested to wear, especially in certain areas. That is their hair dryer. And this is what the room looks like from this direction. It is a connecting room. I didn't know that when I booked it, but it works out well because the ship is at 50% capacity, which is wonderful. There's nobody on either side of us or above us, which is great. And I'm gonna show you the balcony. So we are on starboard side. That's my chair. You have that little footstool, little table. And that is our view today. Today is a sea day. We are making our way to Bonaire tomorrow. And that's the other chair. And that's the door. Please subscribe before you leave and be on the lookout for more cruise videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.